a quick video on the use case manager usage, that remarkable app. When I first saw this app and I was playing with it, I thought that the app, when I select this important search criteria, which is show those apps that are not installed in my system, I have the idea that this went to the App Exchange, make an API call and retrieve the data, but that will make it too slow. So what the developer of this app did is actually they keep that kind of cache on the actual app, right? So it works, but it doesn't make that API call. Now, there is a problem. This thing needs to be refreshed in order to make sure that you find the very latest and greatest of it. And it doesn't do that automatically. So in order for that, you need to go into the admin tab, go in their configuration, and you're gonna find three options in here, three buttons to click. One is the QID and the DSMs, and I just updated them today, and I encourage you to actually click in this. It takes more than a minute. Say, oh, it will take a few minutes. It takes quite a bit of time to actually do that. And also, it's not a bad idea to clear the entire cache of the Use Case Manager app. When you do that, then you know that you will be retrieving the actual data that is on the App Exchange because you recently synced it.